life. I did not become a speaker just like this without failing. I have failed so many times. I stood up and I didn't know what I was saying. I was bleeding all over. Chase your dreams. Don't waste time. Chase after your dreams consistently. How do you chase your dreams? By studying. How do you chase your dreams? Attending classes. How do you chase your dreams? Ask the right questions. How do you chase your dreams? Be obedient, respectful, love your parents. Overcome your fears. Some of you have got fears of matric. You better overcome it now. Matric exam. Overcome it now. Time out. The power of resilience. You know irregular, elastic, rubber band, right? When you pull it, when you leave it, it comes back, right? Life is going to do that to you. It's going to pull you and stretch you. But you should be resilient. Come back to who you are. Peer pressure is going to do that. Come back to who you are. Today we go to parties, they do these punches and they put things that when you drink, you go, hey, Charlie, what's in here? What's in here? And you keep drinking it, you ask me, what's in here? We are at the party, but when you go home, you become resilient. Remember, you must come back to your senses. Build a support network. Your parents are a support network. All of you right here are a support network. You need to identify the Langa that is good at Afrikaans. Make it strong. You're not going to say, I Afrikaans in China, that's what I said. How do you do it? Ask the one that loves science. Have a conversation. Embrace the change. Change is constant. You know, I'm here because of change. He's here because of change. She is sitting in here with you because of change. And all she wants is for you to change and become better human beings in the community. That's what you're going to do. You have to leave a legacy. A legacy says, yo, what's your name? Betuna, there was that same man, yo, she was clean, pitch black afro, always clean. Hey? That beauty. She's going to leave a legacy. If she did good in mathematics, there's going to be a certificate that says, Asema was here. That's a legacy. What are they going to put on the wall for you? You choose to leave a good legacy wherever you go. Banga leave abantu because you're there. They should say, yo, what child in the corner? Yeah, one of the sons when he's here. We know it's going to go down. But if we assume at the end of the day, say, ask a simple question. If it's not, so now being understanding, see, are we driving? Are we doing something else? Are we growing? You guys, do you all stay in Langa? No. Yeah. Okay. So, do you do hiking? Yes. If we say, can we plan a hike to go to Table Mountain? And then we go there and talk about leadership and joy. Is that okay? Yes. We'll talk about the teachers and see how that will work. Are we together? Yes. But those are the things that you do. Now, I'm going to finish with this sentence. Listen up. This is by Dr. Viktor Frankl. Viktor Frankl was a slave or a prisoner at the Nazi camp. The Germans had put him in the camp with his family. But when he got out of it, he became a scientist, a psychologist. He has written so many books. But this is just one quote from his book. It says, forces beyond your control can take away everything. You have possessed it, except one thing. Forces around you and beyond you can take away everything you possess, except one thing. One thing, your freedom to choose how you will respond to any situation. Ladies and gentlemen, you're going to be finding yourself in situations in this life. There are always situations. How you respond in that situation is the difference maker in your life. There's going to be a matric situation coming up right now. It's going to be writing. How you broke up in that matric exam, it's about you, it's your choice. You need to pass the mathematics before you sleep. Let me say this again. Before you come and write it, you need to pass that mathematics at home. C'est vrai? Ulala nje I passed this matric mathematics. When you come to write it, you open it, you go, thank you, government. Me, I've got it. So yeah, I don't say, maybe you may get a little experience of small marks, but when you tell yourself you have passed this thing, so whether you get lower marks, you have passed in your mind. Are we together? No. It is a mindset game in life. It's a mindset game in life. You lose in your mind. What we see in this world today, you've already lost it in your mind. In closing, ladies and gentlemen, put your hands like that. Take everything out of your hands. Now take your right hand out like that. Make a fist. Make a thumbs up. Follow me. Do that. Add the second finger. The third finger. And then hear the sound coming up. Add the fourth. Add the fifth. When you obey, when you respect, that is the noise you are going to make in the world. May God bless you, guide you. My name is Will. I'm a life coach. It's great to be here. Put your hands together. Come on.